taking place in Bangladesh.
Today, the Women's Fellowship of Presbyterian Church in Umdihar, supported by the Selda Committee, organised a food fest cum sale of work to raise funds for the construction of Women's Fellowship Hall. The event featured a variety of traditional bhoi dishes prepared by church women and youth, attended by Eldora Betsy Lingdo, Ransom Stunga, along with the church's elders and community members who showed their support for the development of the Fellowship Hall.
Dan pon kumnong inle nilai perkat dah kabangin bu dan dia yo long dah kabadi dah jimbab sen nanti gani kan long kan samsuk ba nak ban ya dia ginon kam dia si lukam tan ong dia le kani kayo kita itu temu dong kata ladang ini yo kepisang sibuk kamdan jinggot kan dia kata kadau bagi buat yang kami kenang ba kadon di jingmu jong ka jesang kendai kawai ka jingmut ke perkat bang yang sna ya ka yeng jesang kendai.
The Them Bayar cluster